Hello friends, today I will show you how to rotate any object. So let's start. You can rotate any image or any shape, anything else you can rotate. Alright, so let's start the beginning. Okay, this is the shape and this is the image. I will show you how to rotate both one. Okay, so first of all click this free transform tool, then select one. You can rotate with mouse drag, alright, as you want. Also you can rotate, uh, click on mouse right side bar, then go to the transform, then you can rotate 90 degree. Okay, right. Same as if you want to rotate as you want according to your design or client requirement. Also if you want to rotate, then click on the mouse right button, transform, then rotate. Okay, so pretty easy and you can handle it and it will be help to you on your design. So thank you for the watching. Bye bye.